What's up guys, RB here, and today we'll be using Filmora 13 to create a vlog. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, simply put, a vlog is just a blog, but on video, where you can talk about your feelings, talk about your experiences, or review videos. And that's a very common way it's used these days. Often you'll see streamers and they're reviewing a video. So first, we need to think about a theme. Second, I'm just going to show you how to put the narrator, so me, into the corner of the screen so that you can still see the video that we are commenting on. Okay, so I've got my little clip here ready to go. As you can see, I'm talking. So I would like to be the narrator of this clip that I have down here in the timeline called Japanese Streets. So let's pretty it up a little bit. It's already got the green screen. Now I'm going to push the circle option in the mask tools. So as you can see, it kind of decreases the size of that window in there and puts me in a nice little bubble. Okay. Now I'm going to move this just to the corner and make it the size I would like. Now all I need to do is place the clip across these clip here, and let's have a look how it looks. Hi, me again. We just need to use this video to show you how to minimize the narrator into the corner of your screen or template. Thank you for participating. Okay, as you can see, I can play around with the size and the position of the circle here, so I can have it over here a little bit more or down a bit lower. You can also have the back see-through as well. So it depends on your narration style and what you want to do. Now, just a quick note to show you that we also have templates that you can use to split videos into as well. So let's just go to the love section here. And as you can see, I can put two clips inside these wedding invitations, or I can go to sports and put two sport clips in there. So these are really good for YouTubers in here who want to do a bit more of an interesting blog, social media basic, that kind of thing. So lots of different templates available. I personally just like the simple little circle in the corner, but you do you. And now, the finished product. RB reviews animals, that's me. Okay, straight off the bat, 3 penguins, black and white, suit-wearing layabouts in my opinion. Now, have you ever seen a penguin save a life in a surgical operating theatre? No. Have you ever seen them give at charity events? No. Sorry, that suit's not fooling anybody. And you can waddle all you want, but we all know the truth. 1 out of 10. Sorry guys. Yep, back in the water you go. Okay, the next little guy. Beautiful hair color. The style is in. Let's ask Brad Mondo later. Now this guy, you can sit in a park picnicking, but you'll never achieve your dreams unless you work for it. 3 out of 10. Okay, the turtle, the tank of the sea. This one's named Kevin. Now Kevin, he's just submitted an application to the University of Melbourne in their philosophy program. We wish Kevin all the best as he swims towards knowledge and truth. I like you, Kevin. I like the shell too. Beautiful colours, those circles really make you pop. 10 out of 10 for you, Kev. Keep it up, mate. And that's a wrap, guys. That is how you use Filmora 13 to create a video blog. Catch you next time.